How to invite collaborators on Facebook Reels. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Open up your Facebook app from your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, let's get started with adding the Reels first. Go ahead and tap on What's on Your Mind button and here tap on Photo/Video. From here, choose any video that you would like to add as a reel and tap on Next. Under here, tap on See More Settings. Then tap on Invite Collaborator. At this page, you can simply type in the collaborator that you would like to collaborate with. If not, you can just copy and paste their profile URL. And tap on to Done. And now, tap on Share Now. And once they accept their request of your collaborator, you will be able to see their name in your video, and that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.